Our generation finding our way in a changing world. Good day to everyone. We, our youth, are often called the whole generation. But now, look around. We all here part of generation facing the world changing faster than ever. It's exciting, but let's be real. It can be also a bit overwhelming. So, what's like being young today? We have voice, we have strength, and ability to bring about change. We're growing up online. We are the digital generation. Phones in our hand, social medias in our faces. It's how we connect, to learn, and even to express ourselves. But all is not for fun and games, right? Cyberbullying is real, and the pressure to look perfect online can be exhausting. But the real struggle is our education, our mental health, and how we fit in this world. To our education, we already face it. We all know that school isn't good always. Some of us are struggling accordingly, and sometimes we feel like what we're learning isn't ever relevant to our life, to our mental health. It's okay not to be okay. Anxiety, stress, feeling lost, there are the things many of us dealing with. Fitting in. How can we fitting in this world? The pressure to fit in, to be cool, to have the right stuff, it can be a lot. We have our own strength. We have creative minds. We are passionate about changes, and we're also an open-minded. Creative minds. We are the generation of innovators. We are afraid. We are not afraid doing new things. To create, to challenge the status quo. Passionate about change. We care about what's happening in our world. We're speaking out about the issues that matters to us. From climate change to social justice. We are open-minded. We are accepting of difference than ever before. We believe in equality and exclusivity. What we need as a young people in this world, what we need, kung sa ating kailangan. Supportive family, relevant education, opportunity, a safety community, that's all. A supportive family, a family that listen to us, understand, and have our back and everything. Relevant education. We need school that prepare us skills that we actually help us to succeed. Opportunities. We need challenge to prove ourselves, to gain experience, and to make difference. To our community, a safety community. We need that, a place where we feel like we belong, where we can ourselves without judgment. Being young today isn't easy, but we're not backing down. We're silent, we're creative, and we're determined to make a positive impact in our world. Let's support each other, lift up others, and create a future we can be proud of. And that's all. Thank you.